I'm Peter and welcome to another web hosting video tutorial. WordPress is an open source website creation tool written in PHP. WordPress comes with a wide range of useful tools and features. WordPress is recommended for beginner bloggers. This video will highlight how users can install WordPress within cPanel. To start, first you must log in to your web hosting account. To do this, navigate to the client login area located within the main home page. Enter the email address and password associated with your account. Once logged in, you will be met with the client dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to cPanel in order to install WordPress. To do so, select the option called Services. Selecting the option Services brings up a list of all purchase web hosting plans. Select the web hosting plan that you would like to make updates to, in this case, my web hosting package. Selecting a plan will bring you to the products detail page. From here, you can edit your web hosting plan by upgrading, downgrading, or cancelling your service if required. Also provided are a range of useful shortcuts. On the left-hand side, you will see a tab called Actions. Select the first option within this tab called Login to cPanel. This will log you into cPanel automatically. Within cPanel, you will notice a wide range of features and functions organized into categories. Scroll down until you see the category called Software. Within this category, there is an application called Softaculous Apps Installer. Softaculous Apps Installer is similar to a marketplace for apps, however is designed to work with cPanel and other web hosting services. A wide range of apps and services are available for a wide range of different specific tasks and functions. Navigate to the search bar and enter WordPress. The WordPress product page should appear. Select the option called Install Now. Make sure you select the version of WordPress that you wish to install and edit the information where required. Once all information has been entered, select the option Install. Well done! You have successfully installed WordPress into cPanel. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, check out our other videos.